दृढ़ता हो लोह पुरुष जैसी, दृढ़ता हो लोह पुरुष जैसी, कुछ भगत सिंह सी मस्ती हो, नेताजी जैसा ओज मिले, आजाद की जैसी हस्ती हो। उधम का उधम दिल बिस्मिल, उधम का उधम दिल बिस्मिल, मंगल पांडे का ताव मिले, हे ईश्वर जन दोबारा दो तो भारत माँ की छाव मिले, भारत माँ की छाव मिले। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की पावन बेला पर सभी देशवासियों को हार्दिक बधाई।
A very fine and pleasant good morning to all of you. Respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. How different is this morning? Dear audience, now as a tribute to our motherland, I would like to call our respected Headmistress Ma'am for flag hoisting. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of patriotic poem that brings us all in that moment that always getting emotion when Parithi is here to present a patriotic poem.
Love for one's motherland is one of the most powerful and uplifting feelings. On the occasion of 75th Independence Day, I, Parithi Sethi, would like to recite a poetry dedicated to our motherland, India. Some things can't just be expressed in words. My eyes are little wet seeing the free flying birds. These are the tears of happiness, seeing the birds flying up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leaders who faced it all, making tough times pass by. There may be many things can't be loved without, but freedom is what I cherish the most without any doubt. Love can speak volumes even when words become less. Love for freedom of some has left us blessed. Blessed with this freedom, these moments we share. Let's learn to care for the people around us. Care for our nation in every possible way. Come, let us wish for its betterment. Come, pray only for the nation. Jai Hind!
प्यारे देशवासियों, दुनिया में एकमात्र भारतीय संस्कृति ही है जहां बचपन से ही संस्कार देकर बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है कि जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी, अर्थात जन्म देने वाली माँ और जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से भी बढ़कर होती है। यह महज संस्कारों का विषय नहीं है, यह हमारी आस्था और मातृत्व रीढ़ में विश्वास रखने वाली हमारी सांस्कृतिक विशेषता है। मातृभूमि भारत को नमन करते हुए गीत प्रस्तुत कर रही है कक्षा 5वीं की खुशी श्रीमाल। सागर जिसके पाव पखारे, अटल हिमालय ताज है, दाएं बाएं गीत सुनाती नदियों की आवाज है। इस धरती की गाथा सुन के सब मोहित हो जाते हैं। इस माटी में जन्म लिया, हमको इस पे नाज है, हमको इस पे नाज है। जब जब मेरे होठों पर नाम वतन का आता है, जब जब मेरे होठों पर नाम वतन का आता है, छाती चौड़ी हो जाती है, सिर ऊंचा हो जाता है। छाती चौड़ी हो जाती है, सिर ऊंचा हो जाता है। कितना प्यारा देश हमारा, कितना प्यारा देश हमारा, सारे जहां का गहना। मेरे देश का क्या कहना, मेरे देश का क्या कहना। बन के लहू ये मेरी रगों में धीरे धीरे बहता है। वीरों का अभिमान तिरंगा मेरे दिल में रहता है। इस माटी का तिलक लगाया, इस माटी का तिलक लगाया, इसी का चोला पहना। मेरे देश का क्या कहना, हो मेरे देश का क्या कहना। रीति रिवाजों परिधानों ने इसका रंग सजाया है। इसकी सभ्यता संस्कारों को सबसे ऊंचा पाया है। जय हिंद सब मिलकर बोलो, जय हिंद सब मिलकर बोलो। मेरे भाई और बहना, मेरे देश का क्या कहना, मेरे देश का क्या कहना, मेरे देश का क्या कहना, मेरे देश का क्या कहना। जय हिंद।
Music is formed by instruments framed with notes, paced by hands playing with time. But above all, it is made up of emotions. Jhanvi Gehlot of 7B to play the flute of freedom, to spread the music of peace, joy and happiness.
एक अनंत प्रार्थना है। नृत्य भावों की अभिव्यक्ति का साधन है। जीवन की आनंदित लय ताल पर उमंग भरी थिरकनों से हर उत्सव जाग उठता है। स्वाधीनता के इस उत्सव के आनंद को और अधिक बढ़ाने के लिए प्रस्तुत है सुंदर रूपक रचती नृत्य की प्रस्तुतियाँ प्रस्तुत कर रही है चारवी, दिव्यांशी, कायना।
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार। राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से झलकना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Let's celebrate the glory of free India and uphold the pride and honor of being an Indian. Let's dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation and start our cultural programs. Now let's get started today's first performance with a role play of some famous personalities who served their whole life to build a successful nation, presented by the children of class 2. Hatim Tura, Abbas Hussain, Prabhav Bhatt, Garvit Purohit.
Namaste, I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call me Gandhi ji. I was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. I went to London to study law. I organized Satyagraha and Dandi Yatra. I love simple life and wear simple clothes. I make my simple clothes by spinning the wheel. I love non-violence and peace. My birthday celebrated on National Day and International Day of Peace. I am a strong pillar of freedom fighter of India. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Prabhu Bhatt. I am studying in Maharana Mewar Vidya Mandir School. Today I am playing role of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was a great man. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. His birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. Later, he became famous as Swami Vivekanand. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mother Teresa. My real name is Agnes Gronze. Since childhood, I decided to devote my life to God. I come to India in 1929. I taught at St. Mary's High School in Kolkata for many years. I won Nobel Peace Prize and the Bharat Ratna. I always wanted to do charity for needy and homeless people. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Abbas Hussain. Today I am going to play a role of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I am Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidi Abdul Kalam. I was born on 15th October 1931 in a small village, Rameshwaram, in Tamil Nadu. My mother Ashiyamma was a housewife and my father Jainul Abidi was a small boat sailor and imam of mosque. I completed my graduation in aerospace engineering. I served for 4 decades as a scientist. I was awarded with 7 different doctorate degrees and I fond of writing books. Among those, Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds are my most liked ones. In 2002, I was elected 11th President of India. I was awarded with many awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan. People know me so many names like People's President, Missile Man of India, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In remembrance, my birthday is celebrated every year as a World Student Day. My message to all of you, live happy and don't worry for the future. Invest your time in good things. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Abbas Hussain. Today I am going to play a role of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I am Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidi Abdul Kalam. I was born on 15th October 1931 in a small village, Rameshwaram, in Tamil Nadu. My mother Ashiyamma was a housewife and my father Jainul Abidi was a small boat sailor and Imam of mosque. I completed my graduation in aerospace engineering. I served for 4 decades as a scientist. I was awarded with 7 different doctorate degrees and I fond of writing books, among those Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds are my most liked ones. In 2002, I was elected 11th President of India. I was awarded with many awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan. People know me so many names like People's President, Missile Man of India, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In remembrance, my birthday is celebrated every year as a World Student Day. My message to all of you, live happy and don't worry for the future. Invest your time in good things. Thank you.
युवा पीढ़ी यानी देश के नौजवान समाज का एक महत्वपूर्ण अंग है। हमारा भविष्य युवा पीढ़ी की सोच और उनके प्रदर्शन पर निर्भर करता है। युवाओं ने समाज के हर क्षेत्र में अपना भरपूर योगदान दिया है। विज्ञान और तकनीकी क्षेत्र में उनकी खास उपलब्धियां हैं जो देश को नए उज्जवल भविष्य की ओर ले जा रही है। इन्हीं भावों से संबंधित अपने विचार प्रस्तुत कर रही है कक्षा 9 की फलीशा।
First of all, I would like to wish everyone present here a very happy 75th Independence Day. Independence Day is marked as the occasion to celebrate the countless sacrifices and struggles our freedom fighters have made to make India independent from British rule. It is observed as a national holiday with a flag hosting ceremony, parade and singing the national anthem with patriotic spirit. It was on August 15, 1947 that India was freed from British colonialism by gaining independence. This year, the day will be celebrated in the Red Fort by the address of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the presence of all Olympians who won medals in the Tokyo Games 2020. Due to the pandemic, the event will be restricted to the public with no cultural performance. Usually, the day is observed with parade and pageants showcasing the scenes of independence struggle to the cultural diversity of India. After independence in our nation, we acquired all the fundamental rights. The sacrifices of the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at an early age just to fight for the country, can never be forgotten. Luckily, patriotism and enthusiasm, which our young freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh held, is still present amongst the youth of our country. Youth plays a key role in the growth of our nation. Our nation's advancement in science, technology, finance, health and creativity will require the zealous and sincere involvement of our youth. Youth should be channeled for growth. using their energy, enthusiasm, commitment, and spirit. To ensure youth engagement in national growth, parents, civil society, and the environment must promote and support them. Providing high quality education, job opportunities, and youth empowerment are critical to the country's growth and development. Youth has the right to engage with others, ask questions about fairness, equality, and opportunity, and receive education. Youth is not only today's companion but also tomorrow's king. Youth are bursting with energy and eagerness to learn, act, and accomplish. They are social actors capable of bringing about awareness for the advancement of our nation. It is critical to develop policies that motivate our youngsters in order to ensure a better tomorrow and a bright future. As Swami Vivekananda quoted, a brave, frank, clean hearted, courageous, and aspiring youth is the only foundation on which the future nation can be built. Now, I'm here Felicia Saeed signing off. Jai Hind!
In the episodes of program, here we have the little angel of our school to present a poem.
Hi ma'am, namaste ma'am, माझा मला यशनारी मारी पाला पाणी पोर स्तंदर करी तुझे पाला हिंदू मुस्लिम शीख जाई पापने सब बाई बाई पहला भारत सबसे काला पहला भारत सबसे सुंदर छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं हमारे दादा हैं हम भी डरने जाए रे सुने के डोल खाए रे मर जाए रे सुने के डोली खाए रे चुंदवाल पटाए रे परीक्षण पढ़ाए रे जाए मैं केजी की क्लास के पढ़ता हूँ और मैं आपके सामने एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। मेरा देश है लगता प्यारा भारत मेरी आँख का तारा मेहनत करके खूब पढ़ूंगा रोशन इसका नाम करूँगा भारत मेरी शान है भारत मेरी जान है रहीम